Hello guys and welcome to WordPress LearnHub. So today I will be showing you guys how to use this all-in-one migration plugin to migrate your WordPress from one hosting provider or from one WordPress environment to another without any glitch. But by default, these plugins only allow you to upload or import 1 GB of file. But at the end of this video, I will be sharing you guys a link to download the modified version of this plugin that will allow you to uh, import close to about 100 GB of file. Yes, you heard me right, about 100 GB of file. This is not pirated. If you buy the premium version, you are given a license to modify this to suit yourself. So at the end of the video, I will be sharing with you guys the link. So you need to watch this video to the end to have access or to get description on how to download this particular modified version of this plugin. See you, and let's dive into it real quick. This is the website that we will be migrating. By the way, this is a live website. Yes, a live website. Yes, I don't want to say more than that. This is a live website that we will be migrating. We will be taking this website from here to this website. This is a newly installed WordPress website. So it has nothing on it, just the 20 plugins and the 20 theme. So this is the website. This is clean. So we'll be moving this website from here and we'll be migrating into this URL. So let's get into it. So before we start anything on the website that we want to migrate, we only need to do just one thing. Yes, we need to go to the back end of that website, then navigate to plugins. So once you go to plugins, install plugins or add new plugins. So we'll go to add new plugin. So we will go over there and install the all-in-one plugin so that we can back up the website first and foremost. So I'm gonna click on, let's search for all-in-one. Let's give it some seconds to load it up if an option is gonna pop up. Okay, this is taking longer than expected. Okay, where is it? Okay, this is the plugin right here, all-in-one WP migration and backup. So we're gonna click on install right away. Installed. So we're gonna click on activate. So once you click on activate, just take a look at the left hand side. You will see the options, the feature for that plugin. So we're gonna click on this and we're gonna click export. So because we want to export this website and take it to the other website, so we're going to click on export. This is going to load up a bit. Okay, it's done loading. So we're going to click on export. So now we're going to select export to. Always select file. So you can take your time and go through the all-in-one migration plugin YouTube page where they have videos on explanation of all this. But if you're a programmer or software developer, you should have an idea of if you want to use the FTP and the likes of this. But what we are going after is the file. We're going to select file. Once we click on select file, so it's going to prepare the export. So it's preparing the entire content. It's shrinking it together. It's shrinking all content on this website together for it to be exported. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So I think I might have to pause. Okay, it's going faster because I wanted to say I might have to pause this video, then come back once the export is done. I think it's a very light website. It's very light. So let's wait a bit. Okay, it is done exporting. I think we have total of 456 MB. We're still within the range of the free version, but nevertheless, we're going to click on this. We're going to click on download. I'm going to save this. I'm going to create a folder for this. So look for where to save it. I think I have a folder that I need to save this, titled WordPress. Is right there. So right concept, I'm going to save this right here. So the download is going to start. So let's at the download. So here is the download. It's done downloading. I have a particular folder where this was downloaded onto. So what we need to do next is we are on the WordPress admin page of where we want to migrate the website to. We've downloaded this website using the all-in-one migration plugin. So we want to now import the downloaded website onto this website to have same content as we have here onto this. So let's go straight to it. So we're going to go to plugins. You're going to click on plugins. So we will be installing the all-in-one migration tool also on this website. So we're going to click on add new plugin. Once we click on add new plugin, we're going to search all-in-one. All-in-one. This should pop up. The plugin will wait a bit. Okay, so we're going to select install now. So we're going to click on activate. So there it is, it's activated. So on the left hand side, the all-in-one WP panel, we're going to click on import. So as you can see, it's even 1 GB. So by default, you only have access to 1 GB of file upload size, file size that you can only import onto here. By default, you only have access to 1 GB on the free version. So if your website is more than 1 GB, I'm very sorry, you cannot upload more than 1 GB except you buy their paid subscription. So like I said, the goodies I promise you guys, the modified version of this all-in-one WP plugin. So this is what we're going to do. So I won't be importing this. I will go ahead and show you guys how to, in case you download the modified version, how to utilize it. You don't have to uninstall this one. So we will go back to plugins again. I will go back to plugins and I will click on add new plugins. This time around, I'm not going to search through this. I think I have the zip file, so I'm going to click on upload. I'll click on choose file. So I think the file is within this range. Okay, I'm going to select. So this is the all-in-one WP plugin. So this is it. I titled it 100 GB. So you have access to the unlimited version. Like the modified version give you access to 100 GB of import of file. So I'm going to click on this, then I'm going to select, I'm going to click on install. So it's going to do its magic. It's currently installing. So while you're doing this, remember you already have the all-in-one migration plugin installed already. So it's going to ask you replace current with the uploaded. Yes, we're going to click on this. So it's going to replace the current one with the uploaded one. So we're going to click on that. It said plugin downgraded successfully. So let's go back to plugin installer. So we're going to go back to the plugin installer. So now let's go back to the all-in-one. We're going to click on import. Now let's click on import on the left hand side. Now can you see this is here we have it now from 1 GB. Earlier on you have 1 GB here, but now you have 100 GB. So we're going to click on import. Remember we exported as file, so we're going to import as file so it can fit into the file structure accordingly. So this was the file, this is the website, this is the file that we exported. So we're going to click on this and we're going to click on open, and the installation will start, the importation will start in a moment. So This is going to take a while also, so I'm going to pause this video and we'll come back once this is 100%. See you guys in 5 minutes. Okay, welcome back guys. Okay, it's done importing. So once you're done with the importation, you're going to be prompted with this page right here, which says the import process will override your website, including the database. So it's letting you know that whatever website, whatever content, or whatever files you have previously on this particular website will be override with what we are currently importing. So we're going to click on proceed. Of course, we need to proceed. So I think this should be faster. We're going to be on this page while this is done. So it's restoring 9,162 files, 76% complete. Let's wait for this. In any moment from now, have a look. Okay, here it is. Your data has been imported successfully. We're going to click on close. We're going to click on close. We're done with that. So we need to view our website and see what it looks like. So we're going to click on view site. This is going to take a while. Let's give it some minutes. I guess everything was done right, so any moment from now we should be having a carbon copy of what we imported. It's taking its time. I think this is due to network. Okay. It's taking its time. Just give it some moment. It's coming along. It's coming along. I think my network is a little bit slow. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the URL. This is the URL of the destination website that we imported on. So this is the original website we imported. Can you tell the difference? Can you see? Can you see? So the all-in-one migration tool is a fantastic tool for easy migration. You know, you have two ways of migrating your website. You can actually use the cPanel option, which means you have to create the database, upload the database, and connect the database. I think I will be running through the process on doing that, because you need to have a broad idea of how this is done if you want to be not just a WordPress developer, but you also have to have broad knowledge about the cPanel and how everything works behind the scene. So this is the all-in-one migration tool product, and it's a fantastic tool. I've been using this tool for the past 3 to 4 years, and they've been doing a great job. So here is the website. We can go through some other pages, contact. So let's see if everything was in this video. Like I said, I promise you guys the destination to download the file, the modified all-in-one migration tool. So you're going to see a link pop up on the screen. You can go ahead and write that down and follow the path, or I will be putting the I will be including the link in the description. And don't forget that the password, I will be passwording the file. So if you did not watch the video to the end, you won't get the password to that particular file. So the password to that file, once you download the file, is going to require you to input a password to extract. So the password is subscribe. Subscribe, no cap lock. Just go ahead and type subscribe. Thank you once again for watching. See you guys in my next video, and have a great day. Ciao, ciao. Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year. Bye.